Oh yeah, I moved one last year, weighed about 700 pounds from a lady.
What's that big one gonna weigh then?
What's that?
What's that big one gonna weigh?
Oh, the big one's going to weigh, no, that's going to weigh over 300 pounds,
Oh,
the big one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. The small one's going to weigh probably 150 pounds.
No,
Something like piece of cake.
Yeah.
So, Trachycarpus palms here.
Yeah.
So when you're moving a palm, what you want to do is remove a lot of the fronds, okay?
Yeah.
Because you want to reduce the stress on
Yeah.
this palm, keeping these fronds alive.
This palm's got a lot of fronds.
And actually, I need some fronds because the church asked for some fronds.
Oh, did they?
For
for
the
Easter?
Palm Sunday coming up, if the service is going to be in.
Oh.
Okay, so this one's got a few. Take that off. This works out good.
So Joe's also digging up this smaller palm beside it.
You know what? These my friend planted these
So
years ago,
both
and these might even be my palms that I grew from seed because I've given them lots of seedlings over
Yeah.
the years.
Hardy palms.
This is a Trachycarpus fortunei, so it's a Chinese windmill palm. And how are we looking here?
You know what? You should probably, you're going to take some of them off this one too while
yeah,
you're
I have
digging?
to, I have
Yeah. It'll make it easier for you.
It's very rare that we ever buy a palm tree that's big. Right?
That's right.
Okay. Here.
I don't think we
That's the thing
have.
with salt spring. A lot of people, they don't want their palms, so they call us up, and we take them. We save them. That's what we do. Better than cutting them down. So these ones are kind of growing
Beautiful.
in partial shade here,
Yeah.
and we're at about 700 feet above sea level. This is a very amazing exotic garden. This place is full of palm trees. Okay, so here, cut this off. I want all these fronds.
You know what they might do, even church probably isn't having service, so what they'll do is maybe they'll just pass out the palm leaves to people.
They might.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Okay, here, and this one here, there. Personally, I like all the fronds on it, but when you're moving palm trees, folks, take as many fronds off as you can. Remember, you want the energy to go into the roots rather than keeping those green fronds alive. Good to use transplanter liquid too. I don't have any, unfortunately. Okay.
Yep.
Time to dig, I guess. I'm gonna take a couple more off.
Okay.
Okay, so get this out. Pretty loose, actually, eh? And the key is a big hole when you plant these things. $5 hole for a $1 plant. That's my theory. See, so don't just dig a hole in the rock and stick it in. That's why everything's growing so good up there, because Vlad, big hole, amended well. Some of those I grew from seed up there, and I gave them when they were babies, those big ones.
Super.
Back in, what, 1990 or something like that. Long time ago. So, okay.
So then you're welcome to have it.
Okay, thanks,
Oh, that's
Catherine.
so
I'll
nice.
give you a hug when the coronavirus is all past.
Oh.
That hopefully will be soon. Trump says by Easter it'll be all gone.
No worries.
I mean, what Trump says is right. Can you believe that guy? This is all. So let's see.
Oh, good. Not like digging in rock.
No,
Hey?
palms are
That's good.
pretty shallow rooted.
Yeah. Actually, looks better already, cleaned up a bit.
It does.
There. I get the fun part. I just get to, well, I'll help him
I
with
just want
it.
to know
but-
how he's going to put that much.
20 feet of trunk.
Is that
I did that one years ago. You know the ones up by the Seabreeze Hotel?
Oh yeah, right.
I planted those years ago. So go like this. Palms are very shallow rooted. Very, very shallow rooted. But there's a lot of roots. And it is going to be very heavy.
We get the tarp, lay
There
it
is rock
out.
underneath
You kind
here,
of
though.
just,
Oh,
yeah.
drag it along.
Yeah, we both.
Okay.
This one, we did one last year. It was 3 of us.
In March,
and this one's a
mid-March.
bit smaller. The trunk
Wow.
isn't
It
quite
was
as
7
big.
feet, the other one, 7 feet.
So
Jeez.
this one, the 2 of us should be able
So
to.
you and Vlad must have done a lot together.
Oh yeah, I've known Vlad for years. We're both in the Palm Society. Yeah, I met Vlad and Katherine in 1990. I was sitting at Christian Lake Dock one time, and I was talking with her about exotic plants. She said, my husband grows exotic plants. I said, well, she said, come up and see our place. So then he came over and yapped with me. I came up here. He came over to our place on Rainbow Road, and we started talking, and we became friends, right? It was, yeah.
There you go. I almost
This
caught
is how
that.
it's done.
I think I missed the pushing of that one. Can you redo it?
What I'm going to do
Is it
is
here?
get a bungee cord. And there's one. I'm going to tie the fronds up.
So Joe just dug around that palm,
take yours out.
and usually they have about a 3-foot root ball,
Don't worry about it, mine.
and he tries
No,
to
I can take.
get as much root
I can
as he
deliver it for
can.
you. I'll take it out for you.
So we're getting this one out, and then
Okay,
we're also
so-
taking out the smaller one.
Let's see here. Let me just pull these fronds up. Those bloody deer, eh? Look at this. They eat the fronds on them.
Oh yeah, munching.
Generally, they don't like palms. But deer in different areas eat different things.
Never say never.
I know, exactly. Okay, so, you know what? I'm going to take a couple more off.
Oh,
Just to alleviate the stress on the roots. And you should always only take, when you're transplanting, it's good to take green fronds off so there's less stress. You know, you want the energy to go into the roots rather than keep it slide. But when a palm's established and growing, only take them off when it's brown. Carbohydrates in the
photosynthesis.
plant.
Isn't that what it is?
Okay, so here,
Photosynthesis? It's for food.
the fun part will be lifting it.
Good job. Do you want me to help pull
Hang
it?
on. No, it's okay right now.
Okay.
I'm going to get this.
I can't wear my belt anymore. I gained weight. Whoa.
One sec.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness. That's the hardest part is when there if there's a
Don't
root.
hurt yourself. Don't get dirty. Here.
Don't get close.
I know there's a couple more roots.
Yeah, don't get close to each other.
Well, you see now.
You can lift the ball into the truck, right?
First of all, I'm going to tighten my belt, huh?
Protect your back.
Stay close to the center, right?
Oh God, they're so
Okay,
close.
1 sec. 1 sec. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, good one.
Good.
Woohoo!
You're strong.
How are you going to do?
I know we're about the same age.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so let me put this in here.
Oh, wow.
I got a flag to go in the back.
I always think it's so amazing when they, it's funny when you see them driving.
No, we'll leave it there for now because I'm going to put yours in
Yeah,
and then I'll slide everything back.
right.
That's what I'm going to do.
Good idea.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, Katherine, it's not going to scrape on your trailer anymore.
No. You'll have to
Your
trim a
RV,
couple of your
you'll be
cedar
wanting to use
branches.
it. It's at my place. You'll be wanting to use it.
Are you going to use it for camping?
Yeah, we went.
Traveling?
We went to Racker Park.
We got
Oh,
kicked
nice.
out
We
of
got kicked out.
What? Why is that?
They don't know.
clothes.
They did close.
Oh.
Everything
No,
is
it's
closed.
great. Is it a,
You wanted to just go down and stay overnight and
Yeah, just
nice.
yeah,
Totally.
try it on.
Because I saw
When did you go? Just recently?
Last
big one.
Less,
it was
okay.
southbound, like a massive
Wow.
RV.
No, this is a wee teeny one.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Perfect.
And I made it teenier by removing the awning for her.
Right.
Make it like
From these palm fronds or
Don't worry
ivy?
about that, Joe.
Here, let me just.
I can do that
Nice
anytime.
soil.
Here we go.
There you go.
Okay.
And out comes one
Yeah.
more.
So cedar roots, eh?
That one's a lot smaller.
Those things. Let me just.
What do you think this one weighed then? 300?
Not that much.
No, not too bad.
Maybe 150, maybe a
Oh,
couple hundred
okay.
pounds.
Oh, not
I mean,
so
it was both
bad.
of us lifting. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
And then I'll tie these ones up too. So let me just.
Okay. What?
by Banana Joe.
Banana Joe. Yeah.
That's what I said. We should put a video about how people who are first RV people, you know, what things to do and things not to do.
Oh yeah, totally.
They're established.
It's in the swamp.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
established now.
And you got these
Cedar root there.
a bit of shade and
Oh yeah.
good
I'm
soil.
amazed they're actually doing that well here
Oh, you don't think
under these big
good
trees.
soil? Oh, because the cedars take up. We have tons of cedars.
Cedars are really hard to grow things around.
Yeah, our gardens are filled with cedars.
Many reasons.
But they take up all the soil.
Yeah. Yeah, they are. Okay, yeah, there's so many roots in here. Cedar roots. It's the palm roots that are easy. It's these dang cedar roots.
Oh,
It's all right.
you have your
That's why we have this.
clippers.
There. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, now I'm going to flip it the other way. You know what I'm going to do?
You want the bungee cord?
That'd be good, thanks.
I want to play pickleball.
Oh yeah, you should. It's fun.
I said that to Joe. I said we should play
Catherine has lots of fun
pickleball.
out there. It's a good
Oh
group
yeah,
of people.
you love it.
I saw some pickleball rackets online.
Really?
Yeah, to buy them. You buy your own,
buy
right?
them on. You can't buy them here.
No,
Nope, but you can buy them, right? I saw them for sale. I thought, oh, I should get some pickleball.
I'm not
So
going.
you have to join the club,
Yeah,
But
and
they'll let
then
you play a few times until you
you
find
don't
it
have your
like it.
racket.
They keep asking me, Joe,
Oh.
you should come and play. I says, well, I'm always working. I says,
Well-
when I retire, then I'll come play some pickleball.
I would say that's it.
good, Joe.
Okay,
Oh.
going this way now. Get these through here. Okay, watch yourself. I'm going to try to pull it out of this hole.
Well, yep.
I can lift this one up.
There you go.
Look at those cedar roots.
Oh, that's great.
I got this one.
Wow.
Watch yourself.
Whoa.
When there's ponds, part of it, he's super.
That's when I get my energy.